Introducing the Nokia Maze Pro Lite, the latest sensation in the budget smartphone market. With its sleek design, 5G capabilities, and an attractive price tag, it's time to see if this phone lives up to its promising expectations. At first glance, the Maze Pro Lite may remind you of an iPhone with its rectangular body and flat edges. It's a design that many find familiar and comfortable, but does it stand out in the world of unique smartphone aesthetics? That's for you to decide. Stepping into the future with 5G connectivity, the Maze Pro Lite is set to change the game for budget-conscious consumers. Imagine downloading movies in mere seconds and enjoying seamless streaming and gaming experiences. But what's a modern smartphone without a powerful camera? The Maze Pro Lite features a quad-camera system led by a staggering 108-megapixel primary sensor. Yet, we're left wondering, does a higher megapixel count translate to better photos? Time and thorough reviews will tell. Under the hood, the Maze Pro Lite doesn't disappoint. With options for 8 GB RAM and up to 256 GB storage, this phone is ready to tackle your multitasking needs and store all your precious memories. Running on Android 12, the Maze Pro Lite promises a smooth and intuitive user experience. Its 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display, protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 7, offers breathtaking visuals that promise to immerse you in every scene. But let's talk battery life. Can it keep up with the demands of a 5G world? While details remain scarce, the true test will come from everyday use. Priced competitively, the Nokia Maze Pro Lite stands as a beacon for those venturing into the 5G era without breaking the bank. With its combination of design, performance, and connectivity, it begs the question, is this your next smartphone? Stay tuned for our in-depth review of the Nokia Maze Pro Lite, and don't forget to hit subscribe to catch the latest in tech. Will the Maze Pro Lite redefine budget-friendly 5G smartphones? We'll soon find out.